We're gonna go downstairs. We're gonna play kitchen na. Okay. Maglalaro niya kapit. Okay. It's pretty dark. It's finally open because it was real dark outside. It's called Skyflix, but nah. Thank you. Okay, but chocolate is good. Yeah, I finished it. Okay, we're gonna play kitchen now. This is the kitchen. So, see you in part 3. Bye!